In our next problem, we're going to be dealing with a category which involves areas and perimeters. A farmer has 2,400 feet of fencing and wants to fence off a rectangular field that borders a straight river. He needs no fencing along the river. What are the dimensions of the field that has the largest area? Okay, let's draw a picture. So if this is our river, and we're going to put the field right up against the river so that we can save on the fencing along here. So we need fence here, here, and in this spot there. Okay, so variables. I'm going to let x equal the length of fence that I need, and y equal the width of the fence that I need. Then the amount of fencing that I have, the 2,400 feet, is going to cover this plus this distance. That is y plus x plus y. So this 2,400 is going to equal 2y plus x. And what I'm trying to do is find the maximum area. Okay, so area, of course, would be length times width, x times y. And if I'm trying to maximize the area, I'm trying to maximize this function right here. So I'm going to take the equation that I have and solve it for one of the variables. Note that it's probably the easiest in this case to solve for x. That is, 2,400 minus 2y is equal to x. Then take this value for x and substitute it here into the function we're trying to maximize. So area is equal to x times y. And I'm substituting 2,400 minus 2y. Then, if I'm trying to maximize it, I'm going to want to take the derivative. So I'm going to start by just expanding that. So the derivative of this function, 2,400 minus 4y. And this derivative will equal 0 if y is equal to 600. That is, I just took this 2,400 minus 4y, I set it equal to 0. 2,400 is equal to 4y, divide both sides by 4, where I got my 600 from. Okay, make sure we finish off the question because it asks us for the dimensions of the field, and we've only found the width of the field. How do I find the length? Well, I put this y value back into this equation. So in order to solve for x, I now know that I've got 2,400 minus 2 times y will give me x, and the y value is 600. So 2,400 minus 1,200 leaves me with 1,200 is equal to x. And then to answer the question, what are the dimensions of the field that has the largest possible area? The dimensions are the length times the width, that is a 600 by 1,200.